We're currently headed to U-Haul so we can pick up a box truck and a car hauler or whatever. Pretty sure that's what we're renting. It's kind of sketch neighborhood. We're gonna be packing up my motorcycles, the MR2, and the rest of our things, and headed to Winnemucca in the morning. And this is why the show is called My Cartoon Live. My truck was supposed to be here at 11, and they wanted me to pick it up at 11:15. So person who was supposed to bring my truck here by 11, because they're renting it or whatever, hasn't shown up yet and won't answer their phone calls, so nobody knows where they are. So my truck is not here, although the auto transport is. But a place that has both, so we're headed there. Unfortunately, it's probably going to be too far to where we won't be able to walk, but also I don't want to spend the money on the Uber, but we'll see what happens. Maybe they don't have our truck either. I'm pretty annoyed. I mean, I also think I'm in the wrong lane to even get to this U-Haul, but I don't know, they sent us so far out and it's just taking me so much more time now. I don't know, I'm debating if I should put the Yaris on the car hauler. I don't have any straps or anything, so I don't know that I can even do that. But making 2 trips now is gonna cost me like $50 to get a door, whatever, Uber or something. I don't know. But I saw a Del Taco over there, so you know, Del, yeah. Oh, that's my truck. I guess we're gonna test it, trying to put the Yaris on, see what we can do. I'm hella excited. Dude, I adore the person who works here. Some people at work establishments that are just like the most important people. And in my opinion, they're not the people who are like always the most effective or efficient, but they are the comic relief. And this girl was hilarious. Right, I've never towed before. I've driven U-Hauls before, so here we go. See how that trailer moves. Oh, I'm gonna hit the curb. Alrighty. There's Dee Dee. We're going to pick her up. So excited. I don't know why I'm excited to haul this. It's just funny that this is how it's working out. Alright, let's do it. This car is my first everything. Okay, so as you can see, we're really not even at all, so we definitely don't want to come up. I'm going to try to line it up, but I don't really have a good method to do that solo. But I know I need to just kind of back up. Maybe I can find a point to line up to. Let's think about this. So the center of the car is here. So I want to line the nose of my car up with like something like this. Seems like we're a little bit left justified. So I feel like we should just be able to go up. Oh, moment of truth. Pause it. I don't know what's happening right now. I think we're on it. Yep, I'm not scraping anything, at least as far as I can tell. Okay. I already banged the door against this. And we are scraping. We're gonna hit that exhaust hanger is gonna hit. I don't know, it might slide under it. I guess at this point we just kind of drive forward and hope the whole exhaust doesn't rip off. Stalled it. we're over, too far over. I don't know what's happening. I think we're pretty much there. Let's see what damages we caused. It's okay, I guess. When we get back, we'll just remove the Y pipe, the mid pipe here, and before we take it off. But yeah, it cleared the hanger. I do smell a little bit of clutch dust, so oh man, the fact that we got that caught underneath there, it sucks. We don't count our chickens before they hatch out here, but we are in this GMC U-Haul with the car transport, picking up this, we've got the DD, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. We're basically just a straight shot now to the house. I'm not going to lie, that was incredibly stressful, but now we've done it once and I'm less stressed about it. Made it in, no problems. Should have not closed this, but it was a pain in the ass to close it, so we're not gonna worry about it. But yeah, we got all the stuff. We're about to get the MR2 onto the car hauler. Howdy, partner. So I don't know if you noticed or not, but when we were trying to move the Yaris, or the MR2 with the Yaris, we kind of like held the clutch a little more than we should have, because I was worried about giving it too much force. And yeah, so we roasted the clutch. Like, you could smell it, see the smoke coming out. It was pretty crazy. But it's been about an hour now and the car seems to be fine. So we've got to make it to AutoZone before they close so we can get rid of this oil. Drop the MR2 off on the property in Golconda, and then the rest of our stuff will go into the storage unit in Winnemucca. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head to Night Shift Customs in Utah to hang out with Kyle. So we're not completely done with Vegas, and honestly we're gonna be back, I'm sure, at some point. But it's interesting, you know, we're homeless now. Sort of. I guess we have a spot in Golconda, but you know, our Yaris is the house, so when we get there, this is our RV. We never finished the dual battery isolator, so we don't have a battery we can run, but we do have a ventilation for the battery, so we're just going to be working and upgrading the car on the road. I have been working on a game-ish thing for the road trip, so stay tuned for that. But I have to plan it out, and it's gonna be after we're gonna leave for the road trip. We'll have more details on the road trip in the coming days, but it's going to be, we're trying to leave from Utah. So Utah to Illinois,